Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Keep not loading properly. So to start, open your phone settings. Then from here, go to General. Then go to VPN and Device Management at the bottom. Tap on it. Then make sure you're not connected to any VPN. So make sure it says not connected, just like what you're seeing right here. Then go back and click Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then click Reset. Then click Reset Network Settings. Then enter your passcode and click Reset Network Settings once more, and that's it. Once that's done, go ahead and open Google Keep again and see if that works. Next, go back to the last page, then scroll up and go to iPhone storage. Then look for Google Keep or search for it. Open it. Then from here, tap on Offload App. Tap Offload App once more. So this will free up space but keep its document and data. Then click Reinstall App. So by reinstalling, the app will place back your data. And just wait for it to finish. And once that's done, go ahead and open Google Keep again. Then try again and see if that solves the problem. Next is to go back to main settings. Then look for Wi-Fi and see if you're connected to a stable internet connection. You can also turn off Wi-Fi for about 10 to 30 seconds, and once done, turn it on again. Then connect to a stable Wi-Fi. Then open Google Keep and see if that works. And that's it. Thank you for watching.